You might be clenching your jaw without even realizing it. Here are a few signs. Your teeth feel tight even when you are not eating. Your jaw feels tired, especially in the morning. You get headaches around your temples. You catch yourself holding your teeth together, sometimes in stress or anxiety or while doing something consciously. You feel relief when you consciously relax your jaw by means of breathing exercises or anything. Remember, friends, your teeth are not meant to touch all day. If they are, your jaw is overworking. Did you notice any of these signs? If yes, then now is the time to consciously work on your clenching habit before it adversely affects your jaw in the long run.